Do MCF orders affect my Amazon seller rating in any way?
Do they affect my seller rating in any way? So by turning on MCF, there's not like a flip that switches, either positive or negative. But there are a lot of benefits to using MCF that can impact your seller rating. For one, if you are moving through your inventory faster because you're sending more orders to Amazon for fulfillment, then that will decrease the amount of time that your inventory sits in a warehouse at any given time. So that faster sell through is a benefit, and actually it will have a positive impact on like your inventory performance index. What we actually found, and I didn't include this in my presentation, but we also saw that merchants who were leveraging FBA and MCF actually had better kind of Amazon metrics than those who were just FBA. And those metrics would be, they were able to reduce their out of stock and improve their inventory turnover. And so by kind of reducing the amount of time that you're out of stock, that also helps you sell more items. And so, being in stock more often means your items can be ranked higher on the Amazon side. And I think a lot of that benefit comes from kind of that single pool of inventory benefit, where rather than trying to balance how much stock do I send to Amazon versus how much stock do I send to these other locations, it's just one number you got to worry about, which makes life a little bit easier. So some positive impacts that can happen when you're using MCF or even your Amazon